What's up, friends and family? Oh. All right, it's been a long, dirty weekend. I'm probably not. Yeah, I look pretty handsome. I took a shower in pond water last night, filtered pond water. That was fun. Up here for the weekend with Leah. Where's Leah? She's around here somewhere, our little dog. Oh, there she is. Let's see how you guys look. Here she comes, here she comes. Leah! This is the ferocious guard dog of Blue Haven. Weighing in at 7 pounds, 3 ounces. Chasing off bears, coyotes, rats, squirrels. What a good girl. What a good girl, huh? All right, well, it's been me and Leah up here, Leah and I, all weekend. Working on some pretty cool projects. I want to show you guys the progress. I know it's been a while since I've done a video. Sorry, I've been super busy. But been doing some construction. So come on, let's go for a ride. Oh, check this out. I found this old wrought iron fence under the bushes here that we're gonna put to use. Check this out. All right, we got our mini solar panel. And here's my cabin I've been staying in. Are you ready for the show? Voila! Probably a lot cooler at night. But yeah, I've got solar powered lights hooked up here. But that's not the only solar thing we've been doing. Let's show you our new amenities. Oh, well, first off, actually, show you the big construction project. There's been a lot of work going into this here. You guys probably don't even recognize it. This was the screen tent. We've decided to go full-on cabin with it. Thanks to our buddy Adrian for giving us a good deal on these doors and windows he had sitting around. But we now have a fully enclosed, well, it'll help if I close all the windows, huh? Cabin. It's pretty, whoa, pretty awesome. So, next we got siding going on here. Then we're gonna be able to stay up here if it's stormy or in the winter or whatever. But this is under progress. Now I'll show you the amenities I've been building. This path I worked on all weekend. Not this path, it's been here. Okay, so now okay, so I was thinking about, I knew I needed, oh, you guys see me there? So I knew I needed a refrigerator system, and at first I was planning on going with a propane, but I thought a lot about it, and I want this place to run pretty much from the power of the sun and things that we can produce here. So I don't want to rely too much. I'm gonna have a propane water heater for the shower. We're also gonna have some solar water heating, but I wanted to be able to produce everything here. So this is the Top Raver 1800 watt solar powered battery system. Okay, so I'm gonna have, well, I do have solar panels just up that way, which will take you in a minute through the forest, but that connects in right, oh, where is it connecting? Oh yeah, it connects to this. There's a different plug for it. It connects in right here. See, this shows you the charge. Looks like we're a little over half right now. Okay, so you can charge this from your car, you can charge it from solar. It's pretty heavy. I'd say it weighs a good 60 pounds. And then this is plugged in to my portable refrigerator. Not too large. See? Some sausages and oh yeah, that's a great idea right now. Nice and ice cold, and I don't have to go get ice. I can actually turn this down to freezing and make ice if I want to. Ice cold. That's what we need for our walk. All right, show you guys my path. I meticulously look right around the red bud here. We save all red buds. Here you can see a large debris pile that I'm clearing all this. This was so unbelievably thick in here. So we've just been, well, I've just been hacking it back and cleared a nice trail here. So this is where our power line is going to run through here to our solar production. All right. Set you guys up real quick. Okay. So this is a not a permanent ground mount here, obviously. So this is just our initial ground mount. I've got two 300-watt panels facing south here. The sun comes in right above the trees this time of year, and gives us a good amount of production. Right now, it's just weighed down by the weight of the panels and the rocks. And see, I actually have racking system. This is going to be wired into this extension cord. I need actually a longer cord, so that'll run down and plug into another one. Not bad, huh? Not bad for a day's work. And then you can see over there. Can you guys see that far? Let's see how good the zoom is on this thing. Okay, this is my other great work of art. This is semi-permanent. You know, it's bolted to a tree, but works for us for this year. So this pumps water from the pond to this filter, and then here it tees off, going to various places, going back down to the campsite. We have a fire hose over there, watering pipes right here, and this is our storage. So here we have these tanks, bottom camouflage, and this guy got it protected. It doesn't get too hot in there. You see that? So this is going to be, I had to clear a lot of little oaks here. So, okay, you can see that. And then this is going to go down this mountain. There's our solar panels over there. It's kind of our utility lane. Okay. Down the mountain back to the camp. So we'll have water pressure for the shower and the sinks and all that kind of stuff. So, whew, took a lot of work. Eventually I'll get this all cleared out and leveled. For now, we just kind of wanted it functioning. So there's our water system. A big concern up here, you know, is fire. If there's a real serious fire, it's probably not much even this water is going to do. But we wanted to be as ready as possible. Our neighbor down below, he's got fire hoses every 500 feet or so. So we're just doing our part to try to become as safe as we can and just have water ran to all the various parts of the property. Eventually, this is going to run all the way up, and at the peak of the property up there is going to be a large tank, but that's maybe, and then eventually a well, but that's maybe a year or so down the road. So let's go back down to the camp. Whew. All right, so come here. Here. Sweet little girl. So, oh, she's so dusty. You're so dusty. You trying to clean me up? Somebody needs to clean you up. We should throw you in the pond, you little rat. So guys, that's what's been going on up here. Building the cabin, working on electrical, clearing brush, installing solar, hanging out with Leah. Yeah, she really is dusty. That's the problem up here. Well, you guys can see this, but it's so dry that everywhere that's not covered by leaves and pine needles just turns to dust. So that's why one of the next projects is going to be the shower, since we got the water tanks up there, and a line running down soon, probably next weekend. Get that going, start working on the shower. Gonna have to clear an area for that, and then after that we'll start working on a bathroom so we can actually have people come stay here. So that's the story for this week. Hope all of you are doing well out there in this crazy world. I'm up here building our mountain hideaway, and we'll check in soon.